StatefulSet Ordering refers to how Kubernetes manages the creation and deletion of pods in a stateful set. Unlike regular deployments, stateful sets follow a specific sequence when creating or removing pods, ensuring predictable and stable behavior for stateful applications. Sequential ordering means that stateful sets create pods one at a time, in order from 0 to n-1. Each pod must be fully running and ready before the next pod begins its creation. When scaling down or deleting, the process happens in reverse order, starting from the highest numbered pod and working backward to 0. Every pod in a stateful set receives a unique, stable identity based on an ordinal index. This index starts at 0 and goes up to n-1, where n is the total number of replicas. For example, a stateful set named web with 3 replicas creates pods named web-0, web-1, and web-2. These names persist even if a pod is deleted and recreated. During creation, Kubernetes follows strict ordering. First, web-0 is created and must reach the running and ready state. Only after web-0 is fully ready does Kubernetes proceed to create web-1. This same pattern continues. Web-1 must be running and ready before web-2 can start. This sequential approach ensures that each pod is healthy before the next one begins. Deletion follows the reverse sequence of creation. If scaling down from 3 replicas to 0, Kubernetes first terminates web-2. Once web-2 is completely deleted, it moves on to terminate web-1. Finally, after web-1 is gone, web-0 is deleted. This reverse ordering ensures that higher-indexed pods are removed before lower-indexed ones. The OrderedReady pod management policy is the default setting for stateful sets. When you set pod management policy to OrderedReady in the spec section, Kubernetes enforces sequential creation and deletion. This policy guarantees that pods are created one by one in ascending order and deleted one by one in descending order. If you need faster scaling, you can change the pod management policy to parallel. With this setting, Kubernetes creates or deletes all pods simultaneously without waiting for each pod to become ready. However, even with parallel management, pods still maintain their unique ordinal identities. This option is useful when your application doesn't require strict ordering. Sequential ordering is critical for distributed systems that need predictable startup behavior. Applications like database clusters, where the first pod might act as a leader, rely on this ordering. It also prevents race conditions during initialization, ensuring that each instance is fully operational before the next one joins. This controlled approach makes stateful sets ideal for applications that require stable network identities and ordered deployment.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.